Today we're gonna retrofit the new hinges on the CoolBlu. First have to start by taking off our grill with a Phillips. Snaps right off. You'll have to cut this cord to splice it to be able to pull it through the door. The last we're on to start is to knock off this hinge. The spring. Just get a little leverage on there.
Pull it down.
Next, we'll be taking the two middle screws off of the bracket after we took off our spring. Then we'll go up top with a Phillips to loosen up the antenna bracket. Take off these three on the top hinge. Then we'll take the two bottom hinges out. And off comes the door. Next, we will pull out and remove the hinge along with the bearing. Sometimes it will get stuck in there and you might need a smaller screwdriver to take it off. We'll remove the stopper for the spring with a flat head. Okay. Then we will take the two Phillips screws off. We'll take our bearing. And we'll have three holes that we're gonna need to drill. You wanna make sure that this is as straight as possible. Okay, we have three sunken screws. We're gonna add our new washer onto the hinge, making sure that the point goes into the hole. Feed our wire through. Then we're gonna put the door back up. We'll lift our door up, making sure the hinge and the washer stay in place. Starting with the two outside screws. Door goes up, and starting with our bottom screw, and then our top outside screw. We lock in two bottom screws. We'll take our three top ones, get each of them started in there. Tying all the way down, making sure the seal of the door matches the edge of the fridge. We'll take our antenna, which is a Phillips. Go ahead and safety that down. We'll go on back down. Then we're gonna put our last two middle ones in, which should be lined up perfectly. Needle nose pliers. Making sure the spring lines up in the grooves. You have a outside payment system, you will need to re-splice your wire. Wires are spliced back together. We'll plug in our power and we'll put our grill back on and you will be done retrofitting the new hinges on a CoolBlu.